It's getting cold outside. Everybody's coughing. So let's make a homemade cough syrup. So what we're going to do is take some onions and chop them up. Onions, they fight inflammation, and then they also help clear mucus. So we're going to use a red onion. I'm not sure about every onion specifically, but I chose to do red onions because I had the most of them. So then we're going to put them in a clean mason jar. You can do as much as you want, but I used a large container. And then we're going to use honey. I use raw and unfiltered because this was the best one to be used. Honey is an antibacterial and has antioxidants. And it also helps fight inflammation. I flipped it over just to make sure the honey got into all the crevices. And then I put it in the pantry for about a week. And then here I am straining the liquid. As you can see, it is very translucent. Some people can't eat the onions, but I chose not to. I just want to use the syrup. And then this will stay good for about 3 to 6 months and throughout the winter. Use this and enjoy.